Did you know that honey never expires? If you leave honey untouched for hundreds of years, it'll still be edible. But why is this the case? It has to do with honey's sugar content and its highly acidic properties, which prevents bacteria and other microorganisms from spoiling it. Also, when making honey, bees combine the nectar with an invertase enzyme, which makes it antibacterial and preserves the honey forever. Archaeologists have found honey in ancient Egyptian tombstones that were carefully preserved for thousands of years, and it was still good.